Welcome back, guys. I didn't expect a second set of sponsored wheels to get here just a few days after the first set, but here we are. I get a lot of guys asking me how I get sponsorships. I'll make a video on it soon, okay? Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this set of wheels. I mean, try to guess what color these are. Here we go. All right, so what we have here is the TE37 SL in 17x9 plus 22 blast bronze. I'm going to show you side by side of all the other bronze so you can see the differences, but you can definitely tell it's a little more brown colored. These are actually going on a right-hand drive DC2 Integra Type-R. All right, check it out. Okay, it's like night and day next to like the bronze All Might on the Sagas. I was looking at photos and this bronze, like in, not as bright conditions, looks really nice. It's like a deep bronze in darker conditions. So I'm gonna run the OG black stickers on it and probably the same lugs, the Formula FN2. But yeah, you guys can get a comparison next to the S Plus. So I got the anodized bronze on the 21A. The lip is anodized bronze too, but they just polish it. The 21A and the TE37's have a very similar bronze. They're probably the exact same. Obviously the SL looks way different because it's a blast bronze. All right, you guys are able to see it. A big difference in bronze. These 17s are insanely light. I'm so used to 18s. So I'm gonna have to hold off on ceramic coating these because I wanna run the OG stickers. I gotta put the stickers on first before coating it, or they're not gonna stick at all. Gotta remove these stickers. This is the sticker that you're used to seeing on SLs. Oh yeah, also all SLs come with red valve stems. And I wanna run black, so I've got the black valve stems on the way. So instead of the red valve stem with the red stickers, I'll be running the OG black stickers with the black valve stem. But what do you guys think? I think it's gonna look crazy on the DC2. And I always love the OG style spokes. But yeah, this is like my first set of SLs. And I'm pretty sure it's the exact same mold as the OG, but they just have these stampings now. So on SLs, you have to run a center cap adapter, but I'm deciding not to run it on the DC2 because I'm gonna build that DC2 for really high power. So I'd rather just not run center caps on that one. So the Tacoma is running Volk Racing TE37XT M spec. Then you've got the 21A up top, Saga S Plus in the center, and then the new TE37 SLs on the bottom. And of course, lastly, the TE37V 10th anniversary editions. Alright, so let's talk DC2 Type-R builds. I always knew I wanted to do a drift build or a straight line drag race / Mexico build. And this DC2 I've decided is going to be the latter. It's going to have a built K24, turbo, all-wheel drive. Of course, I'm going to do up the interior, modernize it a bit, make it look real nice like the FK8's interior. And as far as exterior goes, you're looking at the Varus / Hertling solid Joker wide body for the DC2 Type-R. Bulletproof Automotive has that on the way for me. And I know in the photo I've got a set of TE37V's photoshopped. I will probably have to find a older set in this spec that will fit the wide body. So for now I'll be running the TE37 SL that I got in from Race. Those were sponsored. So the wide body kit consists of the front lip, front and rear fender flares that are 50mm wide on each side, the side skirts, and also a carbon fiber rear diffuser. I've decided that I'll be running a similar wing to the one in this picture here. I won't be adding the trunk lid wing and the Kearney flap that Varus offers. So this wing here is by SS Craft in Japan. So in the center here you can see type 1, on the right you can see type 2. So after you pick your type, you're going to pick the end plate right underneath. So I'm going to go with, similarly to the photo, the type 1 with the B end plates. But as far as the stands go over here on the left, instead of going with B as in the photo, I'm going to probably go with A. I've got a lot of guys asking why I don't do a new car build like the FL5 or DE5. Honestly, I think the DE5 isn't going to get as much JDM aftermarket part support. I know the FL5 will, but the overall design of the FL5 is more sleek and simplified compared to the FK8. So I don't think there's going to be any like crazy kits for it. I also feel like it's basically the same car as the FK8, you know, front engine, front wheel drive. I honestly also like the idea that I'm taking a car that's been out for almost 30 years, that's been modded this entire time by the Honda community, and putting my own twist on it. I want to modernize it, but have it look crazy like JDM styling. I think it's going to be sick, and I can't wait to post videos as it progresses. Let me know what you guys think of my vision for the DC2 build.